How to bake a cake, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to bake a cake. Whether you are a seasoned baker or a beginner, this step-by-step guide will help you create a delicious cake from scratch. So, let's get started. Before we start, let's gather all the ingredients we need. For a basic vanilla cake, you'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, softened, 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of whole milk. Make sure your butter is softened and your eggs are at room temperature. Step 2. Preheat your oven and prepare your pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9-inch cake pan with butter or cooking spray. You can also line the bottom of the pan with parchment paper for easier removal. Step 3. Mix dry ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 4. Cream butter and sugar. In a large bowl, cream together 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar using an electric mixer. Beat until light and fluffy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Add eggs and vanilla extract. Add 2 large eggs, one at a time, beating well after each addition. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and mix until well combined. Step 6. Alternate adding dry ingredients and milk. Add the dry ingredients in 3 parts, alternating with 1 cup of whole milk. Step 7. Pour batter into pan and bake. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. Once it's cooled, you can decorate it with your favorite frosting or toppings. And there you have it, a delicious vanilla cake made from scratch. We hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. Take your time, follow the steps carefully, and have fun with them. Happy baking! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cooking tips and recipes. See you soon with another yummy recipe.